Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If any of you that have not yet subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Last week, I did analysis on our gold. I told you guys that we will be expecting a drop on our gold. At least I am watching out for a level of 1805. You can actually go back to actually watch it to confirm. I told you I'll be watching out for a level of 1805. Where have the price gotten to that level? No. So we've actually gotten to a level of 1820 before price kind of give us like a pullback, which means more drop is going to play out on this our gold. So this week that we are predicting for, right, that I'm talking about, we would expect that gold will to actually drop. At least let's see if we are going to hit a level of 1805. So basically, more drop is to come on our gold. Now, before I actually continue, to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in the comment section below. If in case you are interested, you can actually become one of our Patreon subscribers. What I'm going to give is, high probability trade that when you trade it, you are very much going to win the trade. Though all the analysis might not rather hit the target, but at least we should be very much close to the target, or we should actually hit the target. Last week we actually took about 4 trade which all actually hit our target. This week, right, we took some couple of trade. We can see the trade we took was Nasdaq 100. I'm going to pin the video in this channel. You can actually watch it. We hit the targets. The second trade for the week we actually took was USD Singapore dollar. We hit the targets. The third one was natural gas, and the fourth one, it is still playing. I won't say it has actually gotten to the, but it is still actually playing out, which is USD JPY. Well, it is still playing out on Monday or on Tuesday. We would know if it has hit the target. And basically, this target, this trade we are going to be watching out for this week. I've already put it there. And one of those trades we'll be watching out for the week is natural gas, WTI, even USD, Chinese yuan. And I'm also going to be putting more trade once I get a better setup that once we trade it, we are going to win it. So once I get better setup, I'm also going to put it in the channel. So if in case you're interested, give us a trial, become one of our Patreon subscriber. Instead of taking a trade and losing trade, why don't you just try us by becoming one of our Patreon subscriber? You will get best trade, like quality trade. And once you now apply risk management, promise you that you won't blow your account again. You will get better trade. That it is a very high win rate trade. That is what I'll be sharing. Now back to this, we can see that this price has now broken below the 10 period simple moving average. We are not trading below this moving average. Once we go down to the daily time frame, you see that there is a correction playing out here. So this correction is very much likely to see the correction to a level of 1846. Once we get to that level, another drop will be made. So gold will have something like an impulse move, then a correction, another impulse move here, and a correction is literally playing out. You can see this correction from this candlestick wick at the bottom there. Correction is playing. Once this correction is over, guys, watch out for another drop. At least we should hit a level of 1805. Like I just said, more drop is to come on gold. So if you want to get a better setup to actually go ahead and enter this gold, all you just have to do is become one of our Patreon subscriber. I'm going to give you, the best setup to actually go ahead and enter this trade. So you'll be able to win, some such trade for the week. You can see on the forward time frame, a correction is literally playing out. So we've seen a kind of multiple rejection around this level. So we expect a rejection to be around this level. That is why I said we are very much likely to have a rejection at a level of 1846. Once we can hit that level, correction rejection should play out from there, and we will continue to drop on our goal. So that is what I'm watching out for. Once gold drop, we are very much likely to have a correction, then another drop, then probably some kind of like a ranging market move before another drop. So basically all this setup, I'm going to cover it all on my Patreon channel. So once you become one of my subscriber, you will get the trade, by the way.